What if I told you that it was possible to save up to 20% or even more on your Disney hotel, tickets, food, and souvenirs that doesn't involve signing over your life to a Sea Witch? In this video, we're going to show you easy ways to save big on any Disney World, Disneyland, or Disney Cruise Line vacation. Welcome to Guide to WDW, where we give you the tips you need to know to visit Disney World and Disneyland like an expert. Be sure to subscribe to learn all the ways to avoid lines, save money, and have more fun at Disney. And speaking of saving money, here's
one weird trick you need to know to save big on your Disney vacation.
Sorry, someone told me that phrasing things like that would give me more views on YouTube. It's actually not that weird or really a trick. You just need to know the right places to shop and the right credit cards to use. By utilizing credit card perks, Disney gift cards, and reward programs, we regularly save anywhere from 5% to over 20% on our Disney vacations. To put that into context, let's say an average week-long Disney vacation costs $5,000. These methods would save a minimum of $250 to possibly over $1,000 on that vacation. Or to put it into terms I understand, between 44 and 175 extra Mickey ice cream bars. So let's jump into it. Save 5% with the Target RedCard. The Target RedCard saves you 5% on all purchases at Target. This includes Disney gift cards, which you can use to pay for pretty much everything at Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruise Line, and most locations at Disney Springs or Downtown Disney. That means you can instantly save 5% on your ticket, your meals, and your hotel stay if you're staying at a Disney resort just by purchasing Disney gift cards at Target with the RedCard. If you're interested in signing up, there's an affiliate link in the comments below that helps support this channel. Also, look out for certain sales and promotions throughout the year at Target. If gift cards aren't excluded from them, it's possible to stack the 5% discount with other promos to save more. Save 6% at grocery stores. Many credit cards will offer a cashback bonus at grocery stores, and most grocery stores sell Disney gift cards. The best cashback we've seen on a credit card is the American Express Blue Cash Preferred Card. It saves 6% at grocery stores, along with many other benefits. If you buy your Disney gift cards at Kroger or Vons or your local grocery store with the Amex Blue Card, you'll save a little more than Target with 6% cash back. Many grocery stores local to Disney World or Disneyland also sell park tickets, so this is another way to save 6% as well. Save up to 20% at Kroger. Now I have to admit, my dad is the one who figured out this system. It's like he can see the matrix when it comes to saving money at Disney World. He really maximizes his savings by obtaining Disney gift cards at Kroger by utilizing their fuel points, which gives extra savings at their gas stations. How do you do this? Using the same Amex Blue Card that we mentioned earlier, buy your gift cards at Kroger with a Kroger Rewards account when they are doing a 4x fuel points promotion on gift cards. They do this 4x promotion about every 6 weeks or so. If you buy $250 in gift cards, you'll get 1,000 fuel points, which is worth a discount of $1 per gallon on up to 35 gallons at a Kroger fuel station. So if you get all 35 gallons, you'll save $35 on the $250 that you spent on the gift cards, or 14%. Add that to the 6% you get back on your blue card, and that's 20%. If your car takes less than 35 gallons, you'll obviously save less, or if you're like my parents, you can fill up 2 cars from the same pump. It takes a little coordination, but they do it all the time. Don't have a Kroger near you? Check with your local grocery stores. Many have loyalty programs and gas rewards like this. And it's possible to save even more than 20%. There are some other times when you can save more than 20% on Disney gift cards thanks to limited time promotions like American Express offers. These aren't guaranteed as the offers are customized, but I recently received a $30 credit for each $100 spent at Target or Walmart, so that was a 30% savings on Disney gift cards. Some of the Amex offers are worth even more, so make sure you look at your credit card offers on a regular basis because you might find something that saves you a lot of money. Because what we've gone over are cashback offers, these savings stack on top of other ways to save money at Disney World or Disneyland, like annual pass discounts or limited time promotions like free dining. If you know someone that's about to plan a Disney vacation and likes having extra money for things like Mickey ice cream bars, share this video with them and let them know about this channel. And remember to subscribe because I'm going to be sharing more ways to save money at Disney World and Disneyland. If you have any money saving tips, let me know in the comments and I might share it in a future video. For Guide to WDW, this is James saying see you next time.